We invite you to sit back, relax and watch as we take you through the live trace function in anynode, which allows you to analyze zip signaling flows in real time using the anynode trace analyzer. This great feature enhances your ability to troubleshoot issues quickly and effectively when using anynode within your VoIP infrastructure. The main advantage to using the trace analyzer with the live trace function over conventional developer tools is that it is one single tool that can be and is used by everyone, from on-site administrators all the way up to the core developers of anynode here at TS Systems. You can avoid the time-consuming search for tools suitable for debugging zip sessions by using our trace analyzer. The Trace Analyzer Live Trace was developed by TS Systems specifically for anynode. We have placed a special emphasis on ease of use. In case of VoIP network issues, the communication between anynode and the remote endpoints can be shown live. The function is named Live Trace in anynode. As with the normal trace, the data is displayed in the trace analyzer, which is inclusive in every anynode installation and immediately available without additional download or plugin. Please note that the live trace feature is only available in a local installation. For security reasons, an encrypted connection is established by the trace analyzer by default to anynode. Likewise, you can use the live trace function to analyze encrypted calls, which can be done with other tools from third-party manufacturers, with the downside being that they are more complex to use. Compared to the normal trace function, the advantage of the live trace is that you can skip the step of downloading the trace file and view the data during the connection test. A further advantage comes into play with systems which have little storage space. With the live trace, no data needs to be stored on the system on which the anynode is running. This increases security since no data can be read later. Double-click on the desired session to display the signal flow. The great advantage over other tools is that the entire signal flow can be seen at once from the incoming node to the outgoing node. This display is updated immediately when the connection status changes. We see here how the call is trying to be established with a trying response coming in. Afterwards, an attempt is made to ring the call party with ringing. Then we see a session progress. Let's look at the practical example using the live trace function. We will see how you can quickly and easily test phone numbers. A call comes in from the VoIP provider and we immediately see that the incoming number does not correspond to the E164 call number standard. The inbound node shows which instance of anynode processes the incoming call. Which route is taken depends on the configuration of the relevant nodes. Therefore, we perform a number manipulation in anynode. We select the node of the VoIP provider, selecting zip node, and we find the manipulation assistant under dial string mapping. This type of manipulation is done through prefix and suffix manipulation. We then replace the first digit by a +49. Then we take another look at the live trace and can immediately see that the manipulation was successful. Here we observe the terminated by and result fields during a call setup. We see that the incoming side has finished the call and result allows us to see how it failed. Cancelled tells us that the call has been cancelled by the caller. In the route field, we can check whether the correct route has been selected. If there is no entry, no route has been defined. If you want to save a live trace, you first have to disconnect the connection from the trace analyzer to the anynode with disconnect. The save function is then available. We are now at the end of the video tutorial. Thanks for watching.